Welcome! In front of me I have Mibro Lite smartwatch, and I'm gonna show you how to lock the touchscreen on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch. To do it, press the side button. Once you wake up the screen, swipe downwards from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. And here we have the lock touchscreen icon, the lock icon. As you can see, it looks like a lock, basically. To enable the screen lock, simply tap on this icon. As you can see, it tells you screen locked, and now when we try to use the touchscreen, nothing will happen. The touchscreen is disabled. This option is quite useful if you, for example, have your watch on and you try to take a shower with the watch on your hand, because if you don't lock the screen while taking a shower, your screen will react to the water, because water is conductive, so the touchscreen will go crazy. If you lock the touchscreen, it will help you and you can take the shower without worrying that some options or something will be changed on your watch or toggled because of the touchscreen going crazy. And to disable the lock screen, simply press and hold the side button, or press it to wake up the screen, then press and hold the side button and keep holding it until you see the screen. And now you should be able to use the touchscreen like this. And that's how you lock the touchscreen on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.